Miscellaneous exercise chapter 9 question number 19. The ratio of AM and GM of two positive numbers A and B is M is to N. Show that A is to B equals to M plus under root M square minus N square is to M minus under root M square minus N square. So arithmetic mean and geometric mean, the ratio of their arithmetic mean and geometric mean of A and B is M is to N. So first of all, arithmetic mean of A and B is A plus B by 2. Geometric mean of A and B is under root AB. Ratio of arithmetic mean and geometric mean is A plus B by 2 divided by under root AB. So it will be this is equal to M by N. Okay. Now we have to find ratio of A is to B. So first of all, squaring both sides. So it will be A plus B the whole square equals to 4 into AB equals to M square into N square, M square upon N square. Now we will write again A plus B the whole square equals to M square 4 AB upon N square. Or A plus B is square root of this, that is 2M under root AB upon N. A minus B the whole square in terms of A plus B the whole square is A minus B the whole square equals to A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. So this will be 4, sorry, A plus B की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे यहाँ पे 2M under root AB upon N the whole square minus 4AB. So this will be 4M square AB upon N square minus 4AB. So this will be 4M square AB minus 4ABN square upon N square. This is A minus B the whole square. We want A minus B. So A minus B will be square root of this. So it will be square root. First of all, we'll take, okay, 4AB common, then we'll take a square root. So A minus B the whole square is 4AB M square minus N square upon N square. Now taking the square root, that is 2 under root AB under root of M square minus N square upon N. Okay, now A plus B we know, A minus B we know. So we can add them to eliminate B and we'll get the value of N. We can subtract them and we'll get the value of N, and then we'll find their ratio. We'll get a value of A, we'll get the value of B, and then we'll find their ratio. So 1 plus 2, 2A equals to 2M under root AB upon N plus 2 under root AB under root M square minus N square upon N. Okay. This is 2A. Similarly, 1 minus B, 1 minus 2 will give us 2B, that is equal to 2M under root AB upon N minus 2 under root AB under root M square minus N square upon N. Taking 2 common from both the equations. So A equals to M under root AB upon N plus under root AB under root M square minus N square upon N. B is M under root AB upon N minus under root AB under root M square minus N square upon N. Now A by B. Common denominator is N. So N and N will cancel when we will divide A by B. It is equal to M under root AB plus under root AB M square minus N square upon M under root AB minus under root AB under root M square minus N square. Taking under root AB common from numerator and denominator and cancelling it. So this will give us this term. This is A by B. This is what we have to prove.